What's going on, everyone? Nvda is an absolute rock star, a runaway train. It has been ripping the faces off of shorts ever since the price of $260. Now, why do some people on social media keep calling for the demise and telling everyone, wait till, we start to pull back, bulls are going to be sorry, just wait, we're pulling back. Guys, this price traded up to a price of $318 coming from $260 just a matter of a few weeks ago, guys. I mean, we are up almost 40-50 points in a matter of weeks. And if the poor bears want to complain about the price coming down, that's okay, because guess what? Us bulls and us day traders and scalpers have already made our money. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a perma bull or a perma bear. If you are a realist and a day trader and a scalper, and you just respect supply and demand, you respect your trading strategy, not only can you make money when we get into a trend, FYI, Nvidia is up almost 200% on the year. If anyone thinks that this is still a bear market, is absolutely insane. Let's go ahead and get into the charts now. Now, today is a phenomenal breakout day, up almost 16, 17 points on the day. Where do we go from here, right? Be cautious buying here at the top. Doesn't mean that we're going to go down to zero. Doesn't mean the stock market's going to crash. Just be careful. We need a little bit more time and a little bit more data to kind of show us where potentially we could be heading next. Now, what I want to see here, we're coming off these demand zones at 280 and 282 and 290 and 292. We were trickling here at that 290 area for quite some time. Once we finally got over the 290-250 area, we really started to explode. You can see that yesterday took out the pre-market highs here at around 297.36, absolutely exploded, closed at 301. Okay, 301 and some change. After 300, it really went up like $1.83, like very, very quickly. So again, in the after hours, we pretty much did nothing. In the pre-market, we kind of went up a little bit, kind of pulled back. Here was your perfect play for today. You can see here off the open, the first hour candle takes out pre-market highs. That would have been trade number one. You could have essentially got in here to this price somewhere, even if you were late, around 307, 308, and still would have made fantastic money. 10 points on your money. There was not even a red candle downtick in I don't know how long on a 5-minute time frame, let alone looking at the hourly time frames. We rode up for 3 hours straight to a price of 318.24. Now we're starting to pull back. So you can see now I've got this red block here. This red block is going to be our current supply zone. So what am I looking for in order to go long again? I think we need a little bit of a rest. Let's get a little bit of a breather. Even think about your best marathon runner, your best sprinter, your soccer player, your basketball player, someone who plays football. Do we get timeouts? Yes. Do we get half times? Yes. Can we stop off the side of the road if we're running a marathon and grab a water? How many times have you guys seen that? You're watching a marathon on TV and everyone's barreling down the roads and you see a bunch of people handing out water. What do? They grab that water, they take that drink of water, and they continue going. We need a drink of water, right? That's exactly what we need. We need to take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a breather. That doesn't mean go look for the short, okay? I don't want you guys losing all your money, trying to find the top, right? Let's not be a hero. Let's just let the chart breathe a little bit. What I want to see is a pullback into this supply zone. I want to test this. See, is this supply zone going to act as demand? Now, this supply zone on a 1 hour time frame is going to get the 20 period moving average, which is sitting at 304, 305, to continue to rise. I'd like to get this 20 SMA into the middle of this block. If we can get up to around 308, 309, and we can pull back, right, without actually losing the bottom of this zone, which is currently sitting at around 307, that's a good bounce spot. Okay, let's get back into the middle of this range. And what we want to see is we want to get into the middle of the range. We want to consolidate for a little bit, and then we want to start pushing up. Okay, and as that green candle starts to push up and we start to take out a previous red and we come out on the other side, that's when I want to get long. Or you want to get long on the aggressive bounce and use the bottom 307 as your stop. But currently trading at 316, that's a $10 point difference. We need it more. We need a better price, right? I don't care if we're scalping, we're day trading, we're swing trading, we're investing. We need the best price. What price do I want? The best price. When you go in to buy a car, do you just sit there, let them give you the four square box and tell you that your payment's going to be $1,500 and you need $10,000 down? Absolutely not. We want the best price. You know why? Because our money needs to go to work for us and we know what we're doing. We're experienced and we are logical and we're sensible We need to make money. We need the best price. We need a break. We need a pause. We need a couple of these. And then we need to kind of get long again coming out of this current supply zone that is looking to be back tested as a new demand zone. Now, if we just continue to push higher and we never push in here, if you're aggressive and you're going to treat this as a scalp, you're going to treat this as day trade, 318.25 would be your next entry for a continuation. This is no longer a breakout trade. This is just continuation of a breakout. Don't look for another 5, 10, 15 points. Try to take $1. Try to take 50 cents. Try to take $1.50. Position your size. Make sure your size and position is according to your overall portfolio size, right? So if you got a $10,000 account, let's not put $10,000 into some options contracts on a 318.25 breakout. Let's put maybe $500. Let's put maybe $800 towards that. Let's put a couple $100. Let's buy one contract, a couple of contracts, depending on how many contracts you trade, how many shares you trade. If you're a 5-lot trader and you trade 500 shares, let's try to trade 250. If you're a 2.5 lot trader, let's try to trade 1 lot. If you're a 1 lot trader, let's trade 25 shares. Let's trade 50 shares. Okay, let's position ourselves accordingly. If you guys like this, I just opened up mentorship where I'm working one-on-one with traders for the next 60 days. What we're going to do is live technical analysis like this. I'm going to tailor make stocks that you can trade based on your account size. If you have a $1,000 account, I'm not going to go tell you to trade Nvda and Tesla, where you can absolutely get destroyed on a couple of bad trades, on a couple of losing trades, and then not be able to trade again. We're going to tailor make some stocks according to your account size. We're going to go over some mindset and psychology rules. I'm going to build you a trading plan that's going to help, that you're going to be able to help implement on a day in and day out basis. I'm going to sit down and journal your trades with you every single day that you take trades. We're going to see what we did right and what we did wrong. You're going to get access to the live community. You're going to get access to all of my video courses. You're going to get access to the group where you guys can chat and trade live each and every single day. I mean, today we were going absolutely bananas in the morning off the open because it was an insane open. If you guys want to be a part of the Evolution Traders family, you want to get access to trading with me, and you want to make some serious money, and you guys actually want to be consistent traders, stop looking for handouts and looking for someone to give you the holy grail signal and someone to tell you to buy here and sell here. Learn how to do it on your own. So you don't need me. You don't need social media. You don't need this guy. You don't need this woman. You don't need anyone to tell you guys what to do. You guys can do this all by yourself. I'll see you guys all on the inside.